My name is Charlie Cleaver. I'm a Patreon supporter of Pierre's YouTube channel, and I'm going to give an unsolicited commercial as to why you should join. I've been following Pierre, reading his technical articles when he was writing them for the Star magazine for the Mercedes Benz Club, and it was the first thing that I went to every time that magazine would come. And I knew that I always knew that I wanted to get an older Mercedes, and would read his articles and think, you know what, I might be able to do some of those things on this car myself. And then when his YouTube channel came up, it really has done a lot to give me the courage to have these cars and be able to keep them on the road with simple maintenance, and knowing that there's a very fine technical resource out there. So my point here is Pierre is one of these people that makes it possible to drive and own these cars. The least we can all do is support him through Patreon. Now, these guys are not making any money off of this. They basically make these YouTube videos, which are enormously helpful. He's been very helpful with me, with my new car, answering questions. So it is absolutely worth it to support his Patreon channel, and I strongly encourage you to do it. Thank you.